L14, comparing sums and differences with unit fractions. Let's review what a unit fraction is first. So a unit fraction is just simply a rational number that is written as a fraction, where your numerator is 1 and then your denominator is a positive integer. So in this skill, you are working with all unit fractions. Now this skill is a mental math activity. And so it's designed to measure that. You should not be using paper and pencil on this one. You'll get a question, and the question changes, so be sure you read the question first. And then it's going to ask you to compare two problems and answer the question after you've compared the two problems. Let's look at this problem. Now I picked something that I know you know which of these fractions is larger. So 1/2 minus 1/6, and then you compare it with 1/4 minus 1/6. Which difference is less? If we know that 1/2, and we do know, 1/2 is larger than 1/4, then if you're taking away the same amount, if you're taking away the same amount from something that's smaller, then you know that your answer is going to be smaller. The outcome is going to be smaller. So your answer to this, which difference is less, would be 1/4 minus 1/6. I want to give you another one, and then I want to use that strategy of modeling a simpler problem for you so that if you are still having trouble seeing that, I can show you with that one. So I think one of your problems is 1/6 minus 1/8, and then 1/6 minus 1/10. Okay, you've got the same fraction here, and then you're taking away 1/8 and 1/10. Well, which fraction is less? 1/10 is smaller than 1/8. So if you've got the same amount and you're taking away a smaller amount here, then you're taking away here, then which difference is less? The difference that's less is actually here. So let's look at this. I'm going to model it with whole numbers so you can easily see what's going on. So 1/6, 1/6, 5 and 5. And then I want to subtract, this is the larger fraction, so I'm just going to say -4, and then over here I want to just say -3 because I know that 1/10 is smaller, so I want to take away something smaller. If 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2. Which difference is less? 1 is obviously less. If I'm taking away a larger amount from the same amount, my outcome is going to be less. Okay, now this is something completely different, but I'm going to put a problem up here as a challenge, and you can put your answer in the comments. I want you to try this problem. These are the problems that you love doing for starter. And then I want you to put your answer in the comments, and I'll tell you the answer tomorrow. I'll post it so we can see who's correct. Okay, so we have 3/4 plus 1/3 times 1/2 in parentheses, divided by 2, surrounded by brackets, and then to the second power. Try that one, put your answer in the comments, and let's see who gets it right. Thank you.